All right, my friends, we have a co-host for today's gift guide. Opal has decided she does not want to nap through gift guides, but it's all right. We're doing gift guides for her, so it's slightly on brand. She's going to hang out down here and have her bottle. We are going through 50 amazing gift ideas for women for 2024. This spans all types of women, whether you are shopping for like teenagers up to grandparents. So let's do this. Okay, first up is the Beast Mini Blender. It's compact, powerful, and perfect for making smoothies, shakes, or even small batch soups in seconds. Like personally, I love making shakes and smoothies, but I don't always want to bring out my big, huge, like bulky blender. So I love that this is smaller and more compact for those like quick on the go options. And it's so pretty sitting out on the counter. It comes in a bunch of different colors as well. I feel like pajamas are always a very safe bet for gifting. And if you don't really know the person super well, like enough to choose a print for them, I say always go for like a basic classic neutral pajama. So I'm gonna link two down below, a Save and a Splurge. The Save is the Amazon Essentials set, which are really nice. They come in lots of different colors. And then the Splurge option is going to be Cozy Earth. I actually bought these for myself like postpartum with my third child, and I was very impressed. I was like, are $100 pajamas really going to be that great? And I gotta be honest, they really are. I'm also going to link one other Amazon set down below. It's a 2-set, comes in different colors and patterns. I've had them for like 3 years now. Wash them and wear them all the time. They still held up amazing. This Low & Sons duffel bag is a beautiful weekender duffel bag. It comes in a couple of colors, very chic, made sustainably, and it has a spacious interior, a bottom shoe compartment, and a suitcase sleeve on the back, making it the really perfect bag for busy people on the go. The Microderma Mitt Exfoliating Glove. I've talked about this product many times in the past. I have tried every exfoliating glove, mitt, scrub, blanket. There's not blankets, there's exfoliating towels. I've tried them all and I'm telling you, this is the best one. Unlike scrubs, which are messy and make a big mess in your shower, and unlike some other gloves that don't really work all that well, the Microderma Mitt literally buffs your skin. It leaves your skin feeling so nice, and it just makes such a good gift. I gift it to myself every time I need a new one. Okay, a cast iron Dutch oven makes a great gift. Super versatile because you can do everything from soups to roasts to bread and so much more. I literally leave mine out on the stove because I use it that much. You can go with a solid budget-friendly option like the one from Lodge. It lasts forever, or splurge a little bit more on the Le Creuset one. They both come in a variety of colors, but I feel like the Le Creuset ones come in like so many more like fancy colors. Next up is this Gardener's Harvest Basket. I think this is such a pretty product. It is handmade in Maine, and it's basically a traditional gardener's basket, which is also called a hod or a hod. I didn't know that this was a thing. And you can even personalize it with a name or a meaningful saying or whatever, which gotta love it when you can personalize a gift. These vintage style coupe glasses are just a really great gift, like a hostess gift or a gift for somebody you know on your list that loves to host. The Loops face masks. These have been really popular as of recently. I feel like there were some celebrities that were talking about them, so they just gained a bunch of traction. You can buy just literally a single one of them for I think $6 or $7, or you can buy a variety pack. So whether you want to get a slightly larger gift or you're just looking for something just to throw in a stocking. Okay, the birdie alarm. Some people might think this is a strange gift. I actually gifted one to my best friend. Very cute keychain size personal safety alarm that you can attach to your bag. So if you ever feel unsafe, you pull the pin, it sets off a super loud alarm with a flashing light to draw attention. And it comes in like tons of adorable colors. So it's just like cutesy as well. Cutesy and saves lives. You know what I mean? Just what else could you want? The Everywhere belt bag from Lululemon. I feel like this, it's sort of like, it's one of those like sort of basic gifts. Like I feel like we've seen it on gift guides a million times, but it's just because it's so versatile and like you would literally gift it to anybody from a teenager to a grandmother. I love belt bags because it makes things hands-free, and the Lululemon one is just like so basic in the best way, like not basic in a bad way. Okay, next up is this nut milk maker. You can put in nuts, different kinds of nuts or oats, and you add water, and then it creates your own nut milk from it. I've made my own nut milks. It can be slightly labor intensive and a little bit messy, so I love that it all happens right in this machine. You get your own homemade nut milk. Okay, I feel like you can't go wrong with water bottle. What woman doesn't want more water bottles? Personally, I'm mostly team Simple Modern. I like reduced water bottles as well, but I love the Simple Modern ones because they just come in so many fun different colors, patterns. They get seasonal ones, so they can be really great gifts. I know, that's what I think. This I bought for myself last year. It was sort of like on a whim from Amazon. You can choose birthstones, whether you want 1 birthstone, you want 3, you want 5. I got one with my then 3 kids' birthstones in it, and I wore it every single day for a year, did not take it off. And the thing held up so great. The price point on this is surprising for the quality that you're getting. Next up are Kizik sneakers. I feel like shoes can be hard to buy for people, especially because you need to know their size. But if you do know their size, I feel like Kizik is a really great, like it's hard to go wrong with them. They basically, if you don't know, Kizik sneakers, you can step right into them. So like they're literally like, they're better than slip-on. You literally don't even have to bend over. You just step into them. And they come, unlike I feel like a lot of other step-in sneakers, they come in very stylish options. They come in a few different designs and varieties. Tote Savvy, this is basically a like tote bag organizer. It has a compartment in it for like insulated, so you can put lunches in it or cold items in it. And then it's got a few other like small organization pockets. It's got a pocket that can hold a laptop or notebooks, and then it like folds in half, and then you can slide it into a tote bag to keep your tote bag more organized. Another personalized jewelry option are these tag bar necklaces where you can put a name or you can put a date or you can put like geo coordinates on it, whatever. You can like personalize it depending on who you're gifting it to, and just makes another really great personalized jewelry option. This Earthlings pot is just really cute if you have a friend that like loves houseplants. Just a super cute little pot to put a houseplant in. You can even put a plant in it, like pre-plant something in it before you gift it too. This is actually like literally my keychain wallet that I use right now. It's a wristlet, and then it has keychain on it, so you can have your keys, and then it has two little pockets. So one pocket I use for my cards and my money, another pocket I use for like odds and ends, like stamps and receipts or whatever. And then the whole thing just can go right on your wrist, so you can be hands-free. So like perfect for busy moms on the go. Then you can just throw it in your purse if you need to, or you can just pull it. I love having all my stuff in like on one keychain because it makes it easy to find. And when I'm going in and out of stores really quickly, I don't have to bring my whole purse if I don't want to. I can literally just like grab this and I have my keys in my wallet that I need. Okay, next up is some nice wool socks. So I have a budget version and then a splurge version. My save option is this set that you can get from Amazon. They are a wool blend. It's like 38% wool. And then if you want a splurge option, I think the Bombas socks are the nicest wool socks that you can get. They typically are like 70 to 85% merino wool, so a much nicer wool as well. But I will say the save version that I have from Amazon, these are the ones that I own, I think that they're really great. I think that you need a diaper change. Please hold. We're back, but my hot coffee has switched to iced coffee, which tells you how many hours has elapsed in the day. A lot. I always think that mugs can make really cute gifts, and I will link some of my favorite Amazon finds for mugs down below. But I also love like the iced coffee cups that are popular right now. They kind of look like can cups, and you can get them with different designs. I have a few Etsy shops that I have bought them from, so I will link those ones down below. I love Half Baked Harvest. I don't think I've ever cooked anything from her like website or any of her books that were bad, but some of her recipes can be like slightly labor intensive. And so I love that she came out with a simple recipes cookbook. This make a great gift for pretty much anybody. I bought this sort of like small, compact, portable, I don't know if portable is the right word for a juicer, because like where are you taking a juicer? I don't know. I guess it could be portable. You could take it places because it charges USB, and then it's a citrus juicer, so like lemons, oranges, limes. And I actually bought it thinking it was not gonna be that good, and then I was very impressed at how well it can juice these things. It's great for just like orange juices. It's great if you're getting juices for cocktails or drinks or even just for general cooking. This custom embroidered sweatshirt you can get with your pet on it, I think is very cute for somebody who's either a dog mom or just like really loves their pets, because they basically take a photo and then put that picture embroidered like on the sweatshirt. Just a cute personalized unique find. The Skylight digital picture frame. My in-laws have this, and we send photos to them all the time of the kids, and they just love it. There are a handful of different like digital photo frames out there, but I just think the Skylight, the quality is really there. I've had to deal with customer service before. Customer service is really good, and so it just makes a really great gift, especially for grandparents. Compression packing cubes. Basically, they're packing cubes, which I swear by packing cubes when I am traveling, but they have an extra zipper in them, which will pull out extra air and sort of like compress them down, so that you can make more space in your suitcase or in your carry-on. This window bird feeder I have shared before because it honestly feel like you can check off so many different people on your list, whether it's a grandparent, with somebody who has kids and having the birds come up to the window when you have children, just suctions onto your window, and then you put bird feed in it, and then the birds come up. I don't know what it is about entering your 30s, but bird watching is wildly entertaining. Kindle Paperweight is a great gift for just anybody who loves to read if they haven't moved over to a Kindle yet. And because it's really lightweight and has a very long battery life, you don't have to worry about lugging around your heavy books. Now, if you are gifting to somebody who just is a paper book person, you know that they are. I found this book nook that I got at Uncommon Goods. These are like little wooden book holders, so it has a spot where you can place the book that actually holds your spot. in the book, and then it has a little spot where you can put glasses and your cup if you want. And I just think it can sit next to you on a bed or on a sofa or on the table, and you can even get these personalized if you want. Next up is the selfie light, really great stocking stuffer or just a cheaper gift for somebody on your list. Flips onto your phone or onto your laptop and creates beautiful light on your face to make you look beautiful, like how I look. Just kidding. I'm using a window, which is why it's probably getting dark in the light. I should get the selfie light. This lap desk is a gift that we gave to my mother-in-law a few years ago, and she used it all of the time. Personally, I work on the sofa like all the time in the morning, and it's not like ergonomically good to like be hunched over your computer like this. You know what I mean? It's literally what I'm doing right now. I have my computer, I'm like hunched over it. I need this. I need the desk, the lap desk. You know what I mean? Remember those like old school picture reel things that we used to use as a kid, and it would be pictures of like dinosaurs and animals. Basically you can do that, but you can put your own custom pictures inside. This hidden pocket scrunchie is so great. It's a scrunchie that has a hidden zipper in it, so you can hide like some money in it or a key in it. Just a really unique gift, and again, price point there is pretty good, so whether you need a more budget-friendly gift or if you're looking for a stocking stuffer. Okay, this storybook DIY kit is a super unique find. They're basically adorable little scenes that you hand assemble to fit right into your bookshelf between your books. And it also has an LED light in it that makes the whole thing glow. And you can put the whole thing together yourself with no glue needed. And you can choose from some different designs as well. It's just a very unique gift for anybody who loves books, but also kind of likes hands-on projects. I always include board games in my gift guides. I will link a few of my favorites below. I love gifting games, especially at holiday gatherings where you're gonna be together, because I just always find that you can take the games out later and play them, which is fun. An electric kettle is honestly just a very practical gift. It heats up water super fast for tea, coffee, or even instant noodles way quicker than doing it on the stove. And this one is quite cute, so it also looks good sitting out on the counter. The Ember mug is a very cool gift. It is a temperature-controlled mug that keeps your coffee or tea at the perfect temperature. It sits on a little charging base, or it will hold its battery for over 80 minutes, so you could walk around with it for over an hour and a half. What are we doing? Are we doing an hour and a half? We're doing 2 hours, 80 minutes. No, an hour and a half. Some quick math. An hour and 20 minutes is what it is. And it will control the temperature the entire time, or you can put it back on the base and it will continue to keep the temperature where you wanted it. I found these very colorful set of 4 wine glasses, and I just think these are great hostess gift or great for anybody who loves entertaining and somebody who maybe is a little more, you know, like their style is a little more like colorful and fun. I kind of want these for me. I love these sort of like poncho scarf wraps. They kind of look like a scarf, wear like a cardigan, and I love them because they're kind of one size fit all, and I will link my favorite one down below. A towel warmer is a great gift for her. Just put your towels in, they're warm by the time you get out of the shower, and it is a true luxury. These are my favorite sort of large utility type bags, but they come in really cute patterns. They fold flat, they are wipeable, clean, super, super durable. I use them for all sorts of stuff, from toting kids stuff around to packing for overnight travel. This bread basket is so great. I love it. It's a great gift for hosting. You warm the stone on the bottom and then it keeps your bread warm. A really nice candle and then an electric lighter makes a great gift. I love these sniff candles, but I'll also link one of my favorite Amazon candles down below that are super affordable as well, and then a really nice electric lighter to sort of finish off the gift. I love these 5-year journals. It basically allows you to write a line or two every single day of the year for 5 years. As always, thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I'll have links to my other gift guides down below. We're going to be doing gifts for him. I'm going to do gifts 25 and under. I'm going to do a list of Amazon's best-selling gifts. As always, thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Remember to be kind to yourself and others, and I will see you all in my next video.